Right, welcome to a how-to guide on how to reset the language on a Siemens Series IQ washing machine. So of course we need to turn it on, but we also need to make sure it's not within the cycle. So we'll just get the program display up. And then what you need to do is press and hold this bottom one and the top one at the same time. These two buttons push together. Right, it's also known, so this is how you change language. So we've got displayed Netherlands, Italiano, Espanol, Francis, English, Dutch. And then what you can also use, these aren't the correct ones, you can use this arrow here, or you can use this arrow here, and you can scroll through the languages available. So find the one you want. So we are English. And then everything is now reset. But also all the memories get reset. This is why this video is also going to be titled How to Reset Your Siemens Series IQ Washing Machine. It raises the memory. If you got a child lock on, it will actually take that off. So everything then has to be reset, and even the beeper is now reset as well. That will now be at maximum. So if we just click wall, say, and then just click options and settings, as you can see, signal's now on full and the childproof lock is off. If you want these back on, you have to switch them on, etc. I'll turn the signal off, and then as for memory, you don't have to put the memory settings back in again. So to rerun through that, we're going to just quickly change to a different language. We're also going to press, there's an alternative method as well. If you don't want to use these two buttons, you can use these two buttons instead. And that just resets everything, but it doesn't reset the language. If you want to reset the language, that's an old. We played Dutch. We've now got cock and bull. To be honest, I can't speak German. English, and there we are back. So remember, so these two reset the machine to factory settings, and these two reset the language, but as well as master reset as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. You're also very lucky to actually get this video. Usually with my machines that I have, I normally fix and sell them on. But this machine is my own. It's just not in use. So you're very lucky. I still have it 3 years later. The videos in the past that have been up there haven't been up that long, but they were done about 3 years ago. I've had the machine for 3 years as well. It's not been in use for 12 months, but still fully working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. To one particular YouTube user, I will give you I'll give you the video link to you personally in the comments that you originally left on the other video. And I hope that this helps you as well.